We always tell our children to study, but have we ever taught them what is the correct and scientific method to study? The memory models given by some scientists help us to know how to study and remember things scientifically. Have you ever studied a lesson thoroughly and after about 1 month, when you attempt to recall the lesson during your exam, have you felt as if you're reading the lesson for the first time? Yes. So, the memory model given by Ebbinghaus says why we forget things from his Ebbinghaus forgetting curve. Please observe the slide. According to Ebbinghaus, whatever we study, say about on day 1, we remember 55% of what we have studied. By day 3, we remember only 20% of what we have studied. And by day 7, we have about 10% retained in our memory. So, what is that we can do to combat forgetting? According to Ebbinghaus, we can combat forgetting by the following method. Please observe the slide. The best way to retain something in the memory is through repeated revision. We revise at the end of 24 hours or 1 day. Then again we revise at the end of 3 days. Then again we revise at the end of 7 days. Yes, repeated revision is the key to better memory. I hope this method helps you to study better.